Okay, students, am I audible? Am I audible? please either message or put your video on. All of you on your just webcam. I'm audible. Hello, am I audible? Yes, okay. So, welcome you all for the Sankalp learning. And today we are going to start with the K2, that is 12th class integral, and it is on the CET topic. The first question, here it is goes. I hope you all know that the integration of basics. The integration is inverse of derivatives, or antiderivatives is also we call it as integration. So the first question here goes. It is about integration of sin x upon 3 plus 4 cos square x dx is what? The option A is minus 1 upon 2 root 3 tan inverse x into 2 cos x upon into 2 root 3 plus constant. C is our constant, you know that. And option B is 1 by 2 root 3 tan inverse of cos x by 3 plus C, 1 by 3 tan inverse of cos x by 3 plus C, and option D is minus 1 by root 3 tan inverse of 2 cos x upon 3 plus C. Yes, students. Just I will give you half minute. If you are able to solve, you can solve it, or else I'll start. Or if you want, you can solve. So it can be solved by substitution method. As you all know that substitution method is it is first you can choose it as u is equals to cos x, u is equals to cos x, because as you know that it can be used by substitution method, then do then differentiation of u is minus sin x dx. So which means that sine of x is what? It is minus d of u, because minus sign on transferring it will become minus du, and rewriting this integration, rewriting this integral minus du by 3 plus 4 cos square x. Already we know that cos square x, we can write it as 4u square, which can be written as minus of integration 1 by, that is 3 plus 4u square into du. This is what the basic. As you know that it is a standard form of, this is minus, that is minus 1 by 3 plus 4u square du. It is a standard form of integration of 1 by a square x square of dx, which is equals to 1 by a into tan of x by a plus c, because we need to manipulate that denominator to match this form. So after this, just convert it in the form of minus 1 by 4 of integration of 1 by root 3 by 2 the whole square upon u square into du. Apply a as a standard, where if you treat a by replacing this whole quantity by a you can treat it as root 3 by 2, this whole term. Here you can see this. this whole term you can treat it as a, then it will be just as 1 by a square plus u square du, which is 1 by a into tan of u by a. Wherever a is there, that is replacing by 3 by 2. So finally, on solving this, minus 1 by 4 into 2 by root 3, which is minus 2 by 4 into root 3 is 4 root 3, which is minus 1 by 2 root 3, because on cancelling 2 and 4, so it is minus 1 by 2 root 3. So it is on substituting the value of u, just u is equals to, you know that it is a cos x. So just try to substitute in the expression, which is I is equals to minus 1 by 2 root 3 and tan of wherever u is there, that is 2 cos x upon root 3 plus c. So option A is the answer. Option A is the answer for this. So this is what a short trick of this. By substitution method, you can get the answer of this. Just note it down. For 1 minute, then we'll start next one. So we'll go to the next question. That is second question. Okay, here is the second question. Okay, here is the second question. That is integration of minus pi to pi into 1 minus x square of sine x into cos square x dx. What is the value of this? Option A is minus pi, option A is pi minus pi square by 3. Option B is 2 pi minus pi square. And option C is pi minus pi cube by 2. And option D is 0. I'll give 30 seconds for you. Afterwards, we'll solve. Just analyze the question. Your main thing to analyze is it is clearly given that the limit of integration is minus pi to pi. minus pi to pi. So try to solve this. Okay, here try to solve now. It is clearly it is giving that the limit is given that it is minus pi to pi. So if you take the general form of this, it is just as minus a to a, that is the whole equation. This whole terminology, as you can treat it as f of x dx. This is a short form of this. Then on solving this, we'll get the clear solution, that is minus a to a f of x dx is, it is 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. Then if f of x is an odd function, then you can think that if f of x is odd, then f of minus x is minus f of x. So then the integration of minus a over a, minus a to a, will become f of x dx is equals to 0. So let me take the original solution, that is original question, that is f of x minus pi to pi. So here you can treat f of x is equals to minus 1 x square, sin x and cos square x dx. So using this equation, you can treat the given equation as with for the f of minus x. Substitute wherever x is there as minus x. Okay, wherever the x is there, that is substitute as minus x. So f of minus x is minus 1 minus of minus x square into the whole equation as it is, sin x square, sin of minus x into cos of minus x. So whenever x minus x square, as you all know that minus x square is plus x square, and sin of minus x, because here it is sin x is there, using this terminology over here, that is sin of minus x is, it will become minus sin x. But cos square, finally it is wherever x is there minus x, but cos square x, that is cos square of minus x. Sorry, just a minute. Cos square of minus x is equals to, it will not convert it to minus cos square x, rather than it is a cos square x. So using this condition, you can write it as minus f of minus x is minus f of x. So which is odd in function. So using this criteria, I is equals to, because the function is odd, then the limit of the integration is symmetric. Symmetric in the sense it is in between pi and minus pi. So minus pi to pi, in the sense the value of definition integral always it will become 0. It is from the standard equation, we know that. So using this minus pi to pi, just a minute, minus pi to pi, wherever the condition is there, minus pi to any definite integrals with minus pi to pi in this symmetric equation, always definite integral is having the value of 0. So I of, that is integration of this whole equation, that is minus pi to pi, the given equation, that is 1 minus x square and into sin x plus cos square x is 0. That is option number D is audible, students. Question number 3. Question number 3. Note it down. It is integration of 1 upon x into the bracket 6 of log x square plus 7 log x plus 2 of dx is what? The option A is half log of mod of 2 log x plus 1 upon 3 log x plus 2 plus c, and option B is log of mod of 2 log x plus 1 upon 3 log x plus 2 plus c. Option C is log mod of 3 log x plus 2 upon 2 log x plus 1 plus c. Option D is half of the log x, log mod 3 log x plus 2 plus 2 log x upon 1 plus c. This answer is what? The value of the expression is given. The expression is this one. What is the value of this? We'll try it for 1 minute. You just try it for 10 seconds. If you not get the answer, I will start. To write it fast. The answer, you can comment through the chatting box. You can just comment to it. Integration of 1 upon x into 6 log x the whole square plus 7 log x plus 2 dx. What is the answer of this out of 4 given option? So I'll just give the hint. With the help of that substitution method, you can start. Substitute it as u. What you can do is, just I'll give the hint. You can treat u is equals to log x. Means wherever the log x is there, you can substitute it as u. So which means du, what the du will become? Du is equals to, differentiation of u is what? Differentiation of log x is 1 by x dx. So integration I is equals to integration of 1 upon 6u square, because log you can treat it as u, 6u square plus 7u plus 2. Okay, so use this condition, and du. Now it is looks like what? 6u square plus 7u plus 2. It is as a quadratic equation. Finding the root of this, you will get to know that it is 3u into bracket 2u plus 1 plus 2 into bracket 2u plus 1. Then 2u plus 1 and 3u plus 2. So now the new form of the integration, same, this integration becomes, that is integration of 1 upon, what is the root of this? That is, it is solved. It is 2u plus 1 into 3u plus 2. So this is a form of integration which into du. This is the new form of the equation, which can be written as a upon 3u plus 2 or 2u plus 1, 3u plus 2 plus b upon 2u plus 1. So now I is equals to cross multiply this a into cross multiply this 2u plus 1 plus b into 3u plus 2. On solving this, 2u plus 1 is equals to 0, equate it for 0. So it will become a of 2 of minus half, where u is there, it is turned to minus half, plus 1 as it is, plus b into 3u. 3 into u, if you solve for u, you'll come to know it is minus half. 3u plus 2, equate this for 0. It is minus 2 by 3 and it is minus half, it will get converted. So 3 into minus half I used. So that is into 2. So on solving this, we will get a of 0, because 2 and 2 got cancelled, minus 1 plus 1, it will become 0, plus b of half. Is this clear? Which indicates that b is equals to 2. Now next, when you substitute 3u plus 2 is equals to 0, then u will become minus 2 by 3. So wherever u is there, minus 3 by 2, you have to substitute. And the value of a you will get simultaneously on substituting like a first equation. A of value of minus a will become minus 3. So expression of a and b, already we know that b is 2. So in the same expression, b you substitute it as 2 and a you substitute it as minus 3. Minus 3. Then the new form of the equation become, just a minute. Students, the new form of the equation, it becomes new form of the equation, it is going to be converted as, it is I is integration of 2 by 2u plus 1 minus 3 into 3u plus 2. So I is equals to 2 into 1 upon 2u plus 1 du minus 3 into 1 upon 3u plus 2. So recalling this, we are going to get I is equals to log of mod of 2u plus 1 minus log of mod of 3u plus 2 plus c constant. So as you all know that using the logarithm property, log of a minus log of b, it is log of a. You treat this as log of a minus log of b. It is what? Log of a by b. That is I is equals to log of mod of 2u plus 1 upon 3u plus 2 plus c. So using this condition, substituting u is equals to log x, wherever u is equals to log x, if you substitute, you will get I is equals to log of mod of 2 log x. So if you substitute u is equals to log x, then it will be get converted into I is equals to log of mod of 2 log x plus 1 upon 3 log x plus 2 plus c, which is option B is the correct answer. This is what the final answer. The problems are a bit tough. Just try to understand by the logical method and try to use the identity more. Okay, so we'll go to the next one. Question number 4. Question number 4, it states that integration of sine of 5x by 2 the whole divided by sine of x by 2 dx is what? So it is the value is given. Option A is 2x plus sine x plus 2 sine 2x plus c. Option B is x plus 2 sine x plus 2 sine 2x plus c. Option C is x plus 2 sine x plus sine 2x plus c. Option D is 2x plus sine x plus sine 2x plus c. So these four options, they are very close to each other. Just try to answer it within 10 to 15 seconds. Try to give the answer. If you solved, just you can type your answer through comment through. I'll get to know. Okay, let me start. Just it is a key identity. You can treat it as sin A minus sin B. What is sin A minus sin B? Sin A minus sin B gives that 2 cos of A plus B by 2 into sin of A minus B by 2. Using this identity, and another identity also you can use, that is sin of A into sin of B, that is half of sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. It is in commonly taking. Express now. Try to express 5x by 2 as a sign that are multiples of x by 2. That is sine of. Let me start the solution. Sine of. Sine of. The question is sine of 5x by 2 upon sine of x by 2, which can be written as sine of phi x can be written as 4x upon 2 plus x upon 2, because in terms of x upon 2 I put, then upon sine of x by 2, which is equals to sine of 2x plus x by 2, because 2 and 4 got cancelled, upon sine of x by 2. Then use the next condition, that is, because sum to products expansion, it is just a reverse of, to create the series of the cosine form, you can just sine of n theta upon sine theta is equals to 1 plus 1 plus cos 2 theta plus 2 into cos of 4 theta plus so on, plus it is general form is 2 of cos of n minus 1 into theta. This is the general form of this. Now which is used for theta identity for sine of, can just treat this identity and try to expand sine of n plus half theta, n plus half theta upon sine of theta by 2, sine of theta by 2. So which can be written as, it is in the form of this sine of theta by 2. Now using this condition, what we can express is sine of phi theta upon sine theta is equals to sine of 3 theta plus 2 theta upon sine theta. So using this condition, you can treat, you can convert this in the form, that is, wherever the 2n plus 1 is equals to 5 and 5, 2n is equals to 4, so which can be, which implies n is equals to half, that is 4 by 2, that is 2. So sine of phi theta upon sine theta, which can be expressed in the form of standard form of this, that is 1 plus 2 cos theta, 1 plus 2 cos 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta plus 2 cos 4 theta. So substituting theta is equals to x by 2, because here, as you all know, that it is theta is sine of x by 2. So substitute theta by, replace theta by x by 2. We'll get to know, just 1 minute. I'll erase this. It is sine of pi x by 2 upon sine of x by 2, which is equals to 1 plus theta by, just in the previous expression, theta by 2 x by 2 you have to substitute, 2 of cos of 2 into x by 2 plus 2 cos 4 into x by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are, and 2 and 2 got cancelled. So it is left with 1 plus 2 cos x plus 2 cos 2x. It is are left with the answer. And finally, integrating this, we are going to get, we'll just try to understand this. Integration of same. If you do the integration of same, you will get to know that integration of part, that is 1x, integration of 1 dx plus 2 into integration of cos x dx plus 2 into integration of cos 2x dx. Okay, so when you try to resolve this, that is integration of 1x dx is x plus 2 into cos x is sin x plus 2 into 2 cos 2x, 2 into sin 2x by 2 plus c. 2 and 2 got cancelled. It is left with x plus 2 sin x plus sin 2x plus c, where option D is correct. Sorry, option C is correct. X plus 2 sin x, sin 2x. Sorry, it is my mistake. Just for a minute. Option B is correct. X plus 2 sin x, sin 2x plus c. Okay. So, students, quickly you can take the screenshot of this so that you can move. Next question. Next question here it is. Question number 5. Again, I'll give 15 seconds for you. Try this. It is integration of 1 to 5 of mod of x minus 3 plus mod of 1 minus x dx is what? What is the value of this? Fast. And students, you are not replying for this. Just if you got the answer, chat it so that we'll get to know whether you are solving or not. Just 15 seconds, use it and try to solve it. And here, noting down interval is what? It is, I'll just give the hint. Interval is from 1 to 5. So it is mod of x minus 3. You can, which implies x is equals to 3. Mod of 1 minus x, it is also x is equals to 1 because of mod operation. X is equals to 1 and x is equals to 3. So use it for integration. You come to know I is equals to, because of x is equals to 3 to 1, the integration will get split it up, because splitting the integral, it is from 1 to 3 of the same expression. What is this? Same expression in the sense, given expression 1 to 3, that is mod of x minus 3 and वगैरह वगैरह, this all dx plus, because it is splitted in two ways, that is 1 to 3 and 3 to 5. 3 to 5, again it is mod of x minus 3 plus and so on dx. Okay, integral this. Integral between the 1 to 3 and 3 to 5. So integrating this between 1 to 3, we will get to know that it is 3 minus x plus x minus 1, which is 2. So it is 1 integration from 1 to 3, 2 into dx. Similarly, here it is 3 to 5 plus it is 3 to 5. It will gives x minus 3, which is minus of, so it is x minus 3 plus x minus 1, which gives 2x. X plus x is 2x, minus of minus 3 minus 1, it is minus 4, which will gives us 3 to 5, 2x minus 4 dx. So solving first integral, that is 2 dx, what we will get? It is very easy, basic of this, which can be written as 2x from 1 to 3, which can be written as 2 into 3 minus 2 into 1, upper integration minus lower, upper value minus lower limit, upper limit minus lower limit, that is 6 minus 2 into 1, that is 3, sorry, 6, 2 into 3 it is 6, 6 minus 2 is 4, and for this it is 2x, that is x square minus 4x, it is from 5 to 3. So on solving this, x square, it is 5, 5 square minus 4 into 5 minus x square, you treat it as 3, 3 square minus 4 into 3. So total it is 25 minus 20 minus, it is 9 minus 12. On solving this, it is 5 minus 9 minus 12, it is 3, which is 9 minus 12, which is 8. So integration of 1 to 3 plus 3 to 5, in totally it will gives, that is 4, because this value is 4 and next value is, that is 8. So that is 4 plus 8, that is 12. Option A is the right answer. Go to the next one. Question number 6. If x is a greatest integer function not greater than x, then f, then integration of 0 to 8x dx is what? Again, 15 seconds time for you and try to solve. Do it fast, students. So now let me start solving this equation. That is integral. It is of the integral of the form 0 to n of x dx, where n is a positive integer. You can treat it as positive integer. To use the formula results form, it is backing of the integral. So now it is integration of 0 to n of x into dx. It is 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus so on up to n minus 1. N minus 1. Because this is the first, this is the sum of the first n minus 1 terms, non-negative terms, and which is starting from the 0 excluding n, because n is a last term. So where n is, you can treat it as 8, because already we know that n instead of 8, we replaced 8 by n. So now 0 to 8, x integration of 0 to 8 x dx is equals to 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 till this 8 terms we have included. So after solving this 8 term, it is, we can get to know that this is one of the arithmetic series. It is, we can use this formula for finding this sum, that is k into bracket k plus 2 by 2. So where k is equals to 7. So now sum of 0 plus 1 to 7 last term, it can be written as 7 into bracket 7 plus 1. 7 into bracket 7 plus 1. So it is k plus 1 by 2. 7 plus 1 by 2, which is 7 into bracket 8 by 2. It is 1 and it is 4. 7 into 4 is 28. So option A is the correct answer. So the value of this integral is how much? It is 28. Just take the 0 as a first value, so that up to 8 terms it will be 7. You can take the screenshot or write it down fast. Then we'll go to the next question. Question number 7. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 under the root of sine theta cos cube theta d theta. What is the value of this? Option A is 8 by 23. Option B is 7 by 23. Option C is 8 by 21. Option D is 7 by 21. Again, 15 seconds time, students. Just try to solve this. 15 seconds. I can just give the hint. That is, you can do this by substitution method. Just you apply u is equals to sine theta. So du will become cos theta d theta. So if theta is 0, theta if theta is 0, then u is equals to sine of 0, that is nothing but 0. So if theta is pi by 2, then u will become sine of pi by 2. Sine of pi by 2, 90, it is 1. So using this condition, you can proceed. I is equals to 0 to 1, because it is new values we got, that is 0, and that is second one is 1, 0 to 1. Use u raised to half square root of sine, in the sense u sine theta is I used at u, square root you can write it as raised to half 1 minus u square du, because cos theta is treated as what? It is du. Then it is 0 to 1, u raised to half minus u raised to half into u square. It is integration of this, which is dou u, which can be written as I from 0 to 1 u raised to half minus u raised to half into 2. It is 5 by 2. Why? Because it is half plus 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 into dou u. That is du. Integrating and evaluating this, we get to know that that is u raised to half plus 1 upon half of half plus 1 minus u raised to 5 by 2 plus 1 upon 5 by 2 plus 1. It is from 1 to 0. We solve with this, we'll get to know 2 by 3 u raised to 3 by 2 minus 2 by 7 u raised to 7 by 2 into 1 to 0. So evaluating this limit, we'll get to know 2 by 3 into 1 raised to 3 by 2 minus 2 by 7 into 1 raised to 7 by 2 minus lower integration, that is 0. 2 by 3, wherever u is there, put it 0, 0 minus 2 by 7 into 0 into 0. So try to solve this. We'll come to know it is 2 by 3 minus 2 by 7. It is 21. 2 into 7 is 21. That is 7 to the 14 minus 7 threes means 6. Is 14 minus 6 is 8 by 21. So 8 by 21 is option C is the correct answer. Try to note it down or just take the screenshot. Next one, question number 8. We move on to question number 8. Integration from 0 to 1 x e raised to x upon 2 plus x the whole cube dx. What is the value of this? Is immaterial, it's missing something. Let's try to do this again. 10 seconds for you. Can use this formula, generalized formula e raised to f of x plus f dash of x dx is equals to e raised to x f of integration of f of x plus c. Can use this. Let's try to isolate 3 e raised to x and write it in the fraction order. That is x into e raised to x by 2 plus x the whole cube, which can be written as e raised to x into x upon 2 plus x cube. So which can be written as e raised to x 2 plus x minus 2. It is same value as x. It is same value as x upon 2x plus 2 plus x the whole cube. And split this form e raised to x into 2 plus x upon 2 plus x the whole cube minus 2 upon 2 plus x the whole cube. So you can treat this as cancellation with over 2. So it is remain with 1 upon 2x the whole square minus 2 upon 2 plus x cube. And now we can find it fx and f dash x. So fx already we know that is 1 by, already we know that it is 1 upon 2x the 2 plus x the whole square, which can be written in the exponential form to the numerator 2x to the power minus 2. And f dash of x can be written as minus 2 to 2 plus x the whole cube, which can be written as minus 2 upon 2 plus x the whole cube. Minus you can take it for whole. Okay. Then just take the screenshot of this. Then f dash of x, if you consider it for the whole, and already I wrote that this, it is the same expression 2x plus whole the cube, which can be rewritten as minus 2 upon 2 plus x the whole cube. So evaluating this integral in between 0 to 1, it is I of e raised to x into 1 by 2 plus x the whole square, because already we derived that x square from 1 0 to 1 So try to calculate this. E into 1 by 3 square minus e raised to 0 into 1 by 2 plus 0 the whole square. So on resolving this, it is e raised to 3 square is 9. So e upon 9 minus 1 upon 2 square. 2 plus 0 means 2. 2 square is 4. It is option D is the correct answer. Here, option D. It is misplaced here. So option D is the correct answer. Because even you can rewrite it as this whole expression. You can rewrite it as what? It is e upon 9 can be written as 1 upon 9 into e minus 1 by 4. So students, next one, ninth one, it is 10th and 11th one. Just take the screenshot of this and try to solve it at home. And if you not come to know by tomorrow, I'll try to solve this. First, you can take the screenshot of this and try to solve. It is CET question based on the integrals. It is question number 10, 0 to pi by 2 cos x sin x upon 1 plus sin x dx. What is the value of this? 11th question, the value of x square upon root of x raised to 6 plus a raised to 6 dx. What is the value of this? And last, this is the value of 0 to 4042 root of x upon root of x plus root of 4042 minus x dx is what? It is the most important problem. Just mark it down. Many times this type of the questions are important under the CET. Take this for homework or else tomorrow I will solve in the same session. Till that, take care. Bye.